Hey guys, it's Molly. It's 1 Minute Wednesday where we heat print together. How to start a t-shirt business? You need 3 things. So number 1, you need a heat press. This is a Hotronix Max Clam heat press and it's perfect for beginners. Number 2, you need blank t-shirts and you can get these from Styles Apparel. Number 3, you need a custom heat transfer. Just upload your design online, hit the order button and we'll deliver to you ready to heat press. And look how easy this is.
Yeah.
That's it.